I want to do good job because this is.
Hi guys, welcome back to my
copycat.
What's copycat?
Copycats mean this photo is moving and you are moving.
Oh, okay, that's true. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have my handsome son John right here with me, and today recipe I will be making chicken Alfredo. So if you want to see how I made this chicken Alfredo, keep watching and I will show you guys step to step how I made this delicious, breathtaking chicken Alfredo. And
make some thumbs up.
Yes, thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up. And if you like this video, subscribe. Click the red button, play the road subscribe. Just go ahead and click that. And also don't forget to click the notification button so you know whenever I post any video. And
every time button.
And the time button. Yeah.
And every time button, I said.
Every time button?
Yes.
Yeah, whatever that is. Just go ahead and do it. And also, just leave a comment down at the comment section, whatever you think about this video. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day. Hi guys, right now I have my water, hot water. So when the water is boiled, go ahead and put your pasta. When you put the pasta as much as you want, then you can just cover that up to cook. So I used one full pack of pasta for the chicken Alfredo. So while that chicken Alfredo, while the pasta is cooking, I'll go ahead and cut up my chicken breast. So you can use whatever kind of chicken breast that you have available. So I'll go ahead and chop this up to the size that I would like it to be. So because you don't want your chicken Alfredo, you don't want the chicken in it to be too big or too small. Just a reasonable amount should be fine. A reasonable size, I mean, should be okay. So before I put down the pasta, I go ahead and sprinkle in some salt. So this is optional. Some people don't like adding salt to their pasta. So if you don't want to add any salt, that's okay. You can just skip it. But I prefer to add some salt and let it cook for like 2 to 3 more minutes. And right before I bring it down, I add some oil. And the reason I'm adding the oil helps the pasta to stay like in a single piece. So because if I don't add the oil, they might start sticking together to each other. So that's why I add the oil, so they don't stick to each other. So another way you can also do this, you can just, when you pour your pasta out, you can just run a cold water over the pasta. Just pour some cold water in it, so that will also stop it from sticking to each other, as in sticking together. So I'll go ahead and empty that in a different bowl. As you can see, the pasta, they are all in one piece right now. They are not sticking to each other because I added some oil. So let's go ahead and season the chicken. Some onion powder. Add some basil leaf. Add some salt to taste. And then go ahead and turn this properly. Make sure they are all turned properly. So you can use your bare hand if you're okay doing this with bare hand. Otherwise you can have some gloves on, or you can turn them with whatever you can turn them with. So on a skillet pot, go ahead and add some butter and mix that up. Once all the butter is dissolved, then go ahead and put the seasoned chicken. So go ahead and turn them around, turn them until they are all cooked. Just cover them up and cook them like maybe for about 5 minutes or a little more. So after 5 minutes, I checked up on it. As you can see, there's some stock. The chicken breast has produced some stock. So, but right now I don't think it's properly cooked. I want to make sure that the chicken that I'm eating, that is properly cooked. So I'll go ahead and cover this up and let it cook again for extra 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, so the chicken, I believe right now it looks pretty cooked, and it has a little more stock that came out of it as well. So I'll go ahead and add my heavy cream. So add some heavy cream to that cooked chicken. And also add some Alfredo sauce. So this one is the store-bought Alfredo sauce. I bought this from the store because I didn't have enough time to make one at home, so I just bought this from the store. You can as well buy one from store. I'll be posting a recipe on how to make the Alfredo sauce from scratch. I'll be posting the recipe anytime soon, but right now I just bought this one from the store. And go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese because I want it to be a little more very creamy. So that's why I'm adding extra Parmesan cheese to this sauce. So I cover that up and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then I come back and then turn that around. So right now it's looking very good. And I'll go ahead and pour in the pasta.
Mommy, did you see it? The cursive. Did you like it?
As you can see, they are not really sticking together right now. If I didn't add the oil, they will be sticking so bad right now. So like I said, you can also add cold water. Once you get it out from the stove, you add cold water to this, and that will make it prevent it from sticking. So after adding that, just go ahead and give it a very good turn. Turn that around properly, like very good. Make sure that all the pasta gets combined properly with the sauce. So look at how creamy that looks, so creamy and so delicious.
Your plate is over here on the
stove. My kids are already bringing out their plates to have some. So this is one of their favorite dish. They like me to make all the time. So they can't even wait for me to finish. They're already bringing their plates.
Up. Hold it. Okay, go.
So once I'm done, you can go ahead and garnish this with some what is it called again? some parsley. Yes, go ahead and garnish this with fresh parsley. That tastes so delicious when you do that. So amazing. It tastes so good with this pasta parsley on it. So I'll just go ahead and give it a taste. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. See you next time. Bye bye.